What's up guys? So here's a quick video with regards to Ai-Nasdaq. So it's a brand new project that I have joined recently, and it's about arbitrage trading. So I joined this platform 2 days ago, and I just put in my extra money, which is just $14, and it looks good, guys. Okay, so what convinced me to put in money into this platform is that we can withdraw our capital anytime, and also the proof of their trading. So I really like arbitrage trading. They use AI to trade from different exchanges. They buy cryptocurrency from one exchange and sell into other exchange with a higher value or price. Okay, so they will earn from the difference of the price from different exchangers. So let's explore these apps. All right, someone told me that their website looks really bad, but yeah, this is supposed to be open it on the app. It is an app, guys. Okay, so you can download the app for Android users. If you're on iOS, you can log in onto your mobile phone websites. And yeah, the app is not yet available on iOS. It's only available on Android users. Okay, so I'm using my Android phone now, and let's explore the app. So if you click on assets, you can see all of your earnings. So we are making profit every 2 hours, but this guys is automated. You don't have to do anything. Just deposit your funds. The minimum capital amount is $10, and the great news is you can withdraw that capital anytime. All right, so I put in $14, and in just 2 days, so my total assets now is 15.24. So it means I've already earned 1.24 USDT. And yeah, it's automatically compounding. So we all know that compounding is very powerful. And if we click on trade, you can see here the live trading of the AI of this platform. Okay, so you can see my today's earnings. It's 0.23 cents. Okay, so it's running, guys, still running. If you click on buy, you can see the remaining time for, because we're making profit every 2 hours. So there's 1 hour and 10 minutes remaining for 2 hours trade of this bot, or yeah, this AI trading. So if you click on assets and then view all, so we can see the recharge button here. You can see that I have invested just $14 November 27. So today is November 29, so just 2 days, guys, and here's my income so far. So you can see those income coming in every 2 hours, which is really great. So you don't have to do anything as long as you put it in your capital. Just let it run. So you have to do one thing after recharging or depositing your funds. You just need to go on to trade, and then you need to click on this button says opening. So when you click this one, it says closed, and this won't trade. Okay, so that's how you do it. After you deposit your funds, you need to go to trade, and then click on the yes button here, and the buy should be clickable now. So if you click on this, you can see the timer. All right, so the countdown is there, so it means it's trading. And as long as you're not clicking that again or turning that off, then you are making money every 2 hours, and it's on automatic compounding, which is very powerful. Okay, so I just put in an extra money of $14, and it's making me profit for 2 days now, and it's really great, guys, so far. So if you want to know anything about this apps, you can click on here where it says announcement and see this important news. So you should follow these guys when you create your account. So it says here the minimum withdrawal amount of $10 USDT, and the management fee or the withdrawal fee is just 4%. So the withdrawal will reach our wallet within 24 hours. So that's the maximum waiting time for withdrawals. And about the investment, Ai-Nasdaq is an automated system that uses the latest technology to quantify functionality. So it has similarity with ITP. Okay, we are earning 3% up to 4.5% depending on the capital that we put into the system. But the minimum of $10 will gives us 3% daily. Okay, and every 2 hours we can see our profit on our dashboard. And also what I like most is the fact that they are showing their arbitrage trading on our dashboard as well. So unlike ITP that they just show us the results of the quantitative trading. So it seems like this one is more reliable, but again there are still nothing is 100% guaranteed. There are still risks, especially in this kind of investments. Okay, so only invest what you can afford to lose, and just put in your extra money and withdraw your capital as fast as you can. As long as you have your initial investment, you should withdraw that. Keep in mind, you need to withdraw that so you have nothing to worry about losing your money. Okay, so that's my rule, and that's what I'm doing for every investment that I am joining. Okay, so it says also here that after new user login, please associate the correct withdrawal address as soon as possible. So you need to set up your withdrawal address, and once you set up that, you cannot change it. So make sure you are setting up your correct withdrawal wallet address, because you cannot change it once you have set it up on your dashboard or your back office. Okay, so yeah, that's all. And in order to set up your payment settings, so go on to assets and you can see this withdrawal button here. If you click on that, yeah, you will see the withdrawal address here. You will just need to input the withdrawal address there, and then that's it. Okay, you need to set it up once you created your account and you're all good to go. So this is my Nasdaq AI. This has been launched, I think, first week of November. So it's just 1 month old project, and yeah, nothing is 100% guaranteed. Just only invest your extra money and see how it grows. That's all, and thank you so much guys for watching. Again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings everyone. Bye bye.